Every successful project you admire, a skyscraper, a hospital, a highway, an app, all have one invisible force behind them: structure. A system, a way of thinking that turns uncertainty into clarity and chaos into coordinated action. Most students, engineers, and even managers struggle, not because they lack intelligence, but because they lack that structure. But the people who understand today's topic, they lead teams, they manage deadlines, they protect budgets, they deliver results consistently. Today, you are going to learn that structure, the 10 knowledge areas every project manager needs. And listen, this channel is not for passive watchers. This is training for future engineers, project managers, and leaders. If you want to be the person others trust with responsibility, subscribe to Academic Engineering. Learn, build, innovate. Let's grow your engineering mind together. Imagine you're leading a project. Requirements keep changing. The team is confused. Deadlines are slipping. The client is frustrated, and everyone is looking at you for direction. This is the moment where most people panic. Not because they don't work hard, but because they don't have a framework guiding their decisions. The 10 knowledge areas are that framework. Your blueprint, your clarity. Let's begin calmly. Think of your project like a machine. Every part has a purpose, but all parts must work together. 1. Project integration management. You are the conductor of the orchestra. You bring every part together, making sure decisions align. 2. Scope management. Scope means what the project includes and what it does not include. Example, if the project is to build a school website, a mobile app is not included unless the scope changes. Clarity here prevents confusion later. 3. Schedule management. Time is your most limited resource. You create timelines, milestones, sequences, so work flows smoothly. 4. Cost management. Projects run on money. You estimate, budget, and control expenses so the project survives financially. 5. Quality management. Whatever you deliver must meet expectations, no excuses. Quality isn't perfection. It's meeting the agreed standard consistently. 6. Resource management. People, tools, equipment. The right person with the right skill at the right time. That's skillful resource control. 7. Communication management. If the message is unclear, the work will be unclear. Communication is leadership. 8. Risk management. There is always uncertainty, so identify risks early, plan responses, stay ahead. Example, if a supplier may delay materials, have a backup supplier ready. This is how professionals stay calm under pressure. 9. Procurement management. Sometimes the team cannot build everything itself, so you purchase, contract, or outsource work smartly and strategically. 10. Stakeholder management. Clients, team members, community, management. Everyone involved must feel informed and respected. This is how trust is built and how decisions move forward smoothly. When you understand these 10 knowledge areas, something shifts. You stop reacting and you start leading. You stop being overwhelmed and you start being in control. Because in the real world, the difference between chaos and clarity is structure. And if you want to learn how to apply these principles in real project case studies, you're in the right place. This is Academic Engineering. Learn, build, innovate.